responsible. Oops. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. My cat's bothering me. Nick, if you're still here, welcome. Glad to have you aboard. Mr. G, if you're still here, welcome. How are you doing today? All right, let's look at the markets overnight. We had another big fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put it back together again. Looks like our high over the overnight 67.70, our low on ES 67.12. So 58 points of range there. NQ high 354, low 0.61, so just about 300 points in range. Copper, yeah, looks like about 80 ticks there. Ultra bond, about half a point. Gold, so far trying to hang on to 4,000. Looks like about 40 points in range there. Crude oil under 60 right this second. 80 ticks. Natural gas, big fall. And Bitcoin back under 100K. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you choose to take this morning. How is Florida today, Mr. G? Sneeze. And we're looking for our first opportunity. I had my 7th straight green day yesterday, but I did blow the Traderify competition account, which is fine. Gold with a pop. And Q with a pop. Wow, big pop. 21 points there. Even more now, 27. Wow. Trying to see if there's news on this. This big Huge pop. Wish I had taken that blue candle. How's everybody's week looking before today, of course? Unless you've been trading today. I haven't not. I'll try to get to that this weekend, but she did contact me last night about setting up another collaboration. Hey, Jay. I'm working on refining some stuff. I haven't really played with it much in the last 2 weeks. I need to do that more. I should have taken that purple candle that bounced off that 100 EMA. That would have been a great trade. I think. Yeah, it would have been a great trade. Yeah, I blew mine yesterday, Nick, so everything else was green though, so I'm not upset about it. Competitions can be fun, but in order to really win, most people need to trade differently, and I'm not sure that's a good thing. Because I'm just glad I wasn't copy trading on it because I started getting aggressive to try and get into the top 400. Yeah, the green streak lives on. 7 green days on all my other accounts. Morning, USC. How are you? You have to start trading crypto, USC. I think it's good to have time off, though. I think if you're trading 7 days a week, I think you'll end up getting burned out. So we got confirmation that Bowenox does put people live, as MR sent me a message and then posted on the Discord that he is being moved to a live brokerage account on Bowenox. When he comes in, we'll have to ask what his stats were before he got moved. But someone asked, and he said he only had 2 funded accounts there. So I wonder if it's even worthwhile trying to get more funded accounts with Bowenox. So I want to know his stats before I. Kind of choppy here after that big move up. Yeah, I'm not sure either. Still don't see what caused that quick pop there. Let me see if I missed something here. No, I don't see anything. Wait, what? Edge Clear is saying non-farm payrolls is supposed to be out today, but I don't see that on Financial Juice. Let me refresh just in case, but it's Pretty sure they're wrong, but just in case, be aware. But it's not on Financial Juice. It's not anywhere else. So, but Edge Clear, I'm surprised they're making that mistake. Wow, the Farmer's Almanac is closing down. Nice little pop here. There really isn't an advantage. There's no real disadvantage or advantage. I mean, a lot of people say that instead of going live, they'll rather put their money in their own brokerage account and do it that way, and then you get the extra tax benefits. But my opinion is my goal is to have a bunch of live accounts and just copy trade them. Now, you know, usually live accounts do mean daily payouts and all that. Although I don't see the purpose of daily payouts. I mean, personally, even if daily payouts were available to me, I would still do like weekly or whatever, or even monthly. But I mean, there's not much difference. It's, yeah, we're seeing a little pop here on a bunch of things. All the indices are popping, 6Es popping, crude popping. More firms need to do what the futures desk does and get the K1 form and do the tax advantages. Yeah, I mean, but what I would do is I would have my own broker. You know, once I'm starting to really find my footing and all that, I would have my own brokerage account and then still copy trade to my prop live accounts. That way, you know, if I, you know, so let's say I trade one contract in 15 accounts, you know, and I take a loss. That's a big difference than a loss of $200. That's, you know, $200 per account, no biggie, versus taking a, you know, if I trade 15 contracts in a brokerage account and take a $3,000 loss. I mean, yeah, both is a $3,000 loss, but one could be a huge hit on just one account. Yeah, definitely seeing crypto being weak, although JP Morgan yesterday, and it's surprising because JP Morgan is always, well, Jamie Dimon has always said that he doesn't believe in crypto, but they said they can see it reaching 170,000 soon on Bitcoin. Someone blamed Bitcoin futures yesterday. I mean, I didn't read I read headlines. I don't usually read articles. Wow, the gloomy side of the Bitcoin market was laid bare by researchers with analytics company CryptoQuant, who told the block they see Bitcoin crashing to 72,000 before the end of the year. A failure to cross back above the 365-day moving average quickly could trigger a much larger correction in Bitcoin's price. The Bitcoin price flash crash on October 10th, sending the Bitcoin price more than 10% lower in just a matter of hours, sapped confidence among many of the recent Bitcoin buyers. Hey, David, no, I have not partnered with Fundit Next at this point. Nice move down here up that purple candle. uh, same G, same. I don't know. My bot on the Discord says about non-farm payrolls too, but I don't know. So I guess we'll see what happens here. I don't think we have news coming up, but we might have news coming up. Different sources saying different things. I'm almost 100% sure non-farm payrolls is not happening. But if it does, be prepared. Everyone should exit their positions. Cat, what are you doing? Why are you batting at wires? Are you bored? Go find a mouse. USC says hi. She says be good too. So I would take this bounce candle here, but I'm afraid that there might actually be an NFP. I'm pretty sure there isn't, but I'm gonna just stay flat just in case. Eddie ate some of my scrambled egg yesterday. It's weird how some days he loves scrambled egg and some days he'll turn his nose up at it. Well, I'm assuming no NFP because the price action is within 3 points at the start. So I was right and Edge Clear was wrong. There's a little pop on Canadian employment. Whoa, the Canadian employment came in totally off the forecast. Forecast was negative 5K. The actual is 66.6K. So we got the little pop. I wish I had taken that pop. I mean, I wish I had taken that blue candle, but the erroneous reports of an NFP scared me. My own bot lied to me. In other news, Dole came out with a limited edition pineapple. And it tastes like a pina colada. Yes. Morning, MR. Congrats on your being moved to live. Can I ask if you're willing to share what were your stats on Bowenox before being moved to live? Like, how much did you make there? That's not too bad, I guess. But I guess there's, and you only had how many funded accounts, MR? So are they moving the remaining balance into the live, or are they just taking that away from you? So you are getting the. I'm confused. So you are going to be getting more money before they. Oh, oh wow. Yeah, that really sucks. So it sounds like there's no reason to really, get a whole bunch of funded accounts on there. Because right now I have 3 funded with Bull and Ox, and I have 4 that is waiting for me to activate after I get above the buffer. So I'm not sure whether it's even worth activating them. So you think it's better going slower and going for lower amounts? Is that what you're saying? Kind of stupid, really, when you think about it, but. All right, I appreciate that, Emar. NQ not doing much right now. Yeah, it really sucks that they're gonna get away with taking that much from you. You did a great job on that account, Mr. On both those accounts. Low at day 25,061, so we're only 10 points back off of that. Yeah, absolutely. Now, did you consider opening your own brokerage account versus going to live on Bowenox? There's a pop on NQ. Morning, Ron. So far, it was good that I did not take that blue candle. And I gave that blue candle right back. And now popping right back up, though. Now I'm interested. Now I'm not. Looking for my 8th straight green day today. It's a big candle. We have a big ATR today. 15 right now. JC, good morning. Darn it, I should have taken that blue candle, would have worked. I hadn't considered that. Nice pop here. So who else do you have accounts with, MR? I mean, are you trading anything else or? Yeah, just remember most of these contracts say sim rewards are not guaranteed as you know, as much as that sucks. Yeah, it's a you know, it sucks to have to balance that between knowing that you're not going to blow the account by taking too much out, but that they could take it all from you. Popping up here on NQ. Almost all firms have a top on how much you can earn on sim funded, but yeah. I know you watch 6J, Mr. G. Yeah, and I wonder if that's going to change soon too, Mark. The more I talk to John Skelton. Because it's that unlimited payout in you know sim funded that causes all the stupid rules with Apex and causes the payout denials. Nice, G. Yeah, I mean I don't look at any of that, and I probably should at times. About 7 minutes from the top of the hour. So more than 800 flights across the United States have been canceled due to the shutdown. And now no politics, but I wonder if this shutdown drags toward Thanksgiving, it's gonna be absolute catastrophe. Yeah, I got all four indexes up now next to one another on my big screen. Russell, NASDAQ, ES, and Dow. There's no place like home for the holidays. Oh, that's right. I forgot you work at an airport, David. So it means that for people that don't have too far to go, they're going to probably try and drive, which means that the roads are going to be more congested. Probably have more accidents. I mean, I don't know what. Right now, it seems like from me talking to John Skelton, he's not sure where things are going to go at this point. He's still trying to figure out the best path forward. So there ain't nothing set in stone that I'm aware of right now, MR. I'm kind of trying to, he and I are supposed to meet, but he's always so busy that the meeting never gets scheduled. I'll need to touch base with him again, see what's going on there. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, if you haven't heard about this, yeah, MR, I don't think you have a problem there. That is a nice perk, David. So in case you guys haven't heard about this, Take Profit Trader had one of their live traders make over $1 million in real profits in 2 days. He did over $500,000 in profit in 2 separate days. Guy's name is Lanto. Well, this is in the live account, not sim funded. This is actually on the live brokerage account through Take Profit Trader. What that means for Take Profit Trader is with their 90-10 profit split, he made $1 million, so that means they made $100,000. I've never heard of Take Profit Trader not paying their sim traders. I've I don't think I've ever heard of a payout denial take profit trader. AQ, what does it want to do here? We are just about top of the hour, so we might get some top of the hour wonkiness. No trades for me yet. I really kind of like a trade. No top of the hour wonkiness here either. I haven't heard anything. Why MR are you delayed? Morning, RJ. How are you? Down we go. What do we think we're going to do at the open today? Up or down? A little bounce here. A little bounce from Pasadena. All right. Yeah, 60 is trending upwards. See the Ultra Bond coming down hard. Crude oil popped on its open. Big pop. Good morning, Ace. We got to have an ace in all. Anybody got any plans for the weekend? Nice little pop. Swing low, sweet doxy, coming forth to carry some profits. Yes, it did. Tell you, looking at the indices on the 5-minute chart, it's doing nothing exciting. I was confused there for a minute, RJ, why you were calling him Mr. Ace. Big pop here in a Q. Sorry to hear that, G. That's a huge candle there. What the heck happened there? Oh, the 27-point candle. I don't see any news. Remember, we do have news. Yeah, I can't talk. News 30 minutes after the bell today.
Connection lost.
Ouch. Sorry to hear that, G. I use Chrome. Bitcoin's popping up a bit, back above 100,000. Gold with a pop, back above 4,000. Money, 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 money. Yeah, leprechauns. And Q trying to hold 25-100 here. Yeah, it failed. Back below 25-100. Low of the day, 25,061. We are less than 15 minutes till the bell. Yeah, MR, it sounds like it wasn't that he deleted anything. Just sometimes I've had this happen to me once before where Chrome will crash and then like all the tabs you had set up and all that just go away. It's a devastating thing, especially for someone like me who has literally 115 tabs open at any given time. If you think I'm kidding, please hold. This is just 3 of my windows. You can see all the tabs I have open right now. Yes, 3 for the videos.
Order fell.
We're long off that blue candle. Looking for 6 points. Looks like we're gonna get stopped though. Yep, we're gonna get stopped. Maybe. Yep. Damn it. One place the blue candle didn't work. How about that? No, wait, hold on. It's trying to come back. Nope. Oh, come on back. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Order fell.
So we're gonna go into the bell red. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. And now it's gonna tempt me again, right? It gave me a short signal on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, right now it's popping on the 5 green candle. No, I'm not. I'm flat right now. Big pop. So that's what I was waiting for. But of course, that's the 5-minute till algo pop that doesn't always appear. Yeah, I rub my hands together at times. Wow. Okay, so this was more than the 5 minute till algo. Wow. Huge candle. Hit. That was a very nice pop. Now bouncing off that 100 EMA.
Two minutes till the bell.
Are we ready? Yes, we're ready. Big move down here at the bell. Sniffing the lows. Was it gonna make a new low here? Boom. Boom, broke through overnight lows down to 25,053, falling fast. 53-point candle here. Still falling, huge purple. 60 points down. Is NQ going to hold 25,000? Here's a bounce. Nice. Ace, nice. Seeing the bounce on NQ. Not seeing the bounce on ES at this point yet. which is good for ace. Russell's bouncing up. Russell's blue. I'll have a blue Russell. Crude oil down, platinum down. What's gold doing? That's what I'm missing, a gold chart. Gold looks down. No, wait. Yeah, gold's down. Gold broke back under 4,000. Big bounce there. I did not take that bounce. I could have. I didn't trust it, but boom, that would have been 20 points. Russell gave away his blue. Where's the yes? Ace has a runner. Oh, wait, ES is bouncing. Whoa. Whip back down there on NQ.
Remember, 2 ES points a day can feed your family.
And right back up. Ugh, sorry about I keep rubbing my hands together. I forget how sensitive this mic is. And Q right back down. I think he just made another new low on that bounce down. It's at 45. Yeah, new low there. Actually, it's not cheaper. They replace brand name items with generic items or store brand items, and that Thanksgiving meal also includes less items than last year. Oh, okay. I wasn't sure. I saw that posted and all that, so I wasn't sure. Sorry, USC. Sometimes hard to see sarcasm in text. Still dropping here. Are we gonna break 25,000 on NQ? ES still going down. Try not to tell Ace that though. Dow showing just a little bit of life. There, we broke 25,000 NQ. Just trying to bounce off of it though. We got down to 24,997.75. Just a big fall. ATR is 22. Oh, wow. Big fall now. Big break of 25,000. Down to 986. 977 is the low. Nope, still going. ES breaks 6,700. Wow. This is just an absolute bloodbath. Although the Dow is showing a green candle in the 5, so it's trying to pop up while everything else is dying. Oh, there's a green pop on the Q. I am not going in with a mini. I am going in with 3 micros if this candle holds. It's getting beaten back down right now. Nope, it ended up red. It could still bounce here, but I'm not trusting it. ATR now at 24. Wow, are we going to break 24,900? So, looking for support levels possibly. We hit 24,804 on October 22nd. Another green candle. So we hit a high of 26,399 on October 30th. So we have dropped 1,400 points since. That's a blue candle, or it was. It is.
Order filled.
We're long with 3 micros. You don't see that, unfortunately. I need to put a micro chart up there so that we can go to easily. Uh-oh. My chart froze. What the heck? Oh, hold on.
Order filled.
Well, I got stopped out. My chart Holy hell, what? Oh, I went in with NQ instead of MNQ. I just hurt every one of my accounts badly. And my chart's frozen. Well, my green streak has just ended because I don't think I'm going to get back $800 today. I swear I was on an MNQ chart. This is why I shouldn't switch between the two. Ah. Damn it. And it popped back up. So, you know, if I hadn't had a stop, if I could have adjusted my stop, it would have worked. This is how it goes. This is how it goes for me. Every time I get momentum going in the right direction, something stupid. I do something stupid. I had funded accounts that were up almost $2,000, and now I take an $800 loss. I'm so sick of it. Just so sick of it. It's not that trading's not easy. I mean, yeah, trading's not easy. But the thing is it's the unforced errors. I just wiped out several days because of a stupid mistake that should have wiped out, you know, should have put me in the hole a little bit, but instead of put. I'm not green. Like all my funded futures evals are now in the red.
Order filled.
I'm now you don't get a lot of leeway with, even with an end of day account. I only have $1,200 in drawdown left now on my funded on Tradeify. I only have I'm not sure what on Apex because it's an intraday. And now this.
Order filled.
Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you on Monday.